Hi, that's it, the HTC U12 Plus, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. First, open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we got media, coloring and alarm volume panels. To change the volumes, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. Here we got the sound profile. We could switch it from the normal to vibrate or silent. So by this way, we could also use vibration for calls. We could turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode to change phone ringtone notification and alarm sounds. And here we got quiet ring on pickup. Pocket modes, we could use them with a click of the switchers. You could also flip device to mute once or always. And also we could activate the turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, touch vibration, and pull to refresh sounds option by click on each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.